Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix our Windows 11, 10 or 8 cannot find gpedit.ms. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open any browser and go to your Google search engine, and after that type a github.com space gpedit and press enter. After that, you can see that the first link is Thomas 1475 GPT. So click on it. Now here is a github.com. So after that, click on this code, click on download zip. After opening that, open it, right click and extract here. Now here is a gpedit.main, open it, and after doing this step, right click, run as administrator privileges and click yes to continue. After that, it's required for a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, in the search box type a gpedit.ms gpedit. Now you can see that edit to policy is appears. After that, close it, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.